This is za. The pronunciation of za with the tip of the tongue near the lower teeth. Za, za, without touching. Za. Then sin. Sin is pronounced with the tip of the tongue near the lower teeth without touching, same like za. In za, near the lower teeth. Tongue near the lower teeth. In sin also near the lower teeth but without touching. Sin. Then sheen. Sheen is pronounced from the middle of the tongue touching the roof of the mouth. Sheen. The middle of the thought. The middle of the tongue touching the roof of the mouth. Sheen. Then صاد. This is a heavy letter. صاد. صاد is pronounced like the sin but with a heavier sound, and in sin here the tongue is not touching the lower teeth, but in صاد here the tongue is touching the lower teeth, and this is a heavy letter. صاد. Then ضاد. This is a little hard. ضاد. This is also a heavy letter, and this is pronounced from one side of the tongue. Listen carefully. From one side of the tongue touching the upper back teeth. ضاد. Then طا. طا. طا is pronounced by touching the tip of the tongue to the upper gums with a heavy sound, same like dal and ta. طا. طا. The tip of the tongue touching the upper gums. طا. Then ظا. ظا. ظا is pronounced by placing the tip of the tongue near the edges of the upper teeth with a heavy sound. ظا. ظا. The tip of the tongue near the edges. Placing the tip of the tongue near the edges of the upper teeth with a heavy sound. Then Ain. Ain is too easy, but carefully. Ain is pronounced from the middle of the throat, same like ha, ha, and Ain, Ain. Then Ghain. Ghain is pronounced from the upper throat with a heavy sound, which is near to the mouth. Upper throat means which is near to the mouth. Ghain. Ghain. Then Fa. Fa. Fa is pronounced by touching the lower lip to the upper teeth. Fa. Lower lip to the upper teeth. Fa. Fa. For today, this is enough. May Allah make our recitation clear and beautiful. Ameen.